announcement of husband dated TT1 and dated TT2 2024.
In view of the aforesaid discussion, we are of the considered opinion that except for the observation requiring consideration of the case of the petitioners, the judgment and order dated so and so of the learned single judge does not call for any interference. Both the writ appeals accordingly stands dismissed.
May I please? My lord, as regards item number 12, 13, and 14, yesterday I have given an adjournment deed. Some difficulty today.
Some that reference.
That reference.
Okay. Have it after the vacation.
After the
Madam,
Lord.
you are the legal aid counsel.
And in amicus curiae
Amicus, okay.
12 and 13.
Okay. On a prayer made by Sri Edhor, learned amicus curiae in these matters.
In 13,
List, the same are adjourned to be listed after the Puja vacation.
obliged.
May I please? Lordship, item number 11, madam.
Yes.
I am on behalf of J.C. Das. Adjourn this matter for
JC
today.
Das, JC Gogoi.
J.C. Gogoi, yes, madam. Adjourn for today, my lord.
Madam. Madam Begum?
After vacation,
Yes. On a prayer made on behalf of the applicant slash appellant, matter is adjourned to be listed after the Puja vacation. Yes.
Obliged.
May it please the lordship. So I beg to mention item number 8 and 9, my lord, on behalf of A. Ahmed. Matter may be adjourned for the day, my lord. May list it after Puja vacation.
8 and 9, same, huh? A. Ahmed. Appellant, A. Ahmed, not A. Appellant. 8 and 9.
8
Yes.
and 9.
Okay. But it's for orders. Have you checked the file? It may be for staffs or for some person.
I'll
Okay, okay.
Obliged.
Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, he was here. We just saw him inside the court. Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, we saw you, then you were missing.
I went for mentioning on metal lordship.
Suit for divorce has been
Yes,
dismissed.
lordship, that was
Dismissed.
dismissed lordship. Yes, basically challenging that aspect of the matter
Hmm.
on two grounds, lordship.
Okay, we'll admit this.
Yes, ma'am.
Heard Sri S.P. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the appellant, who has preferred this appeal on the section 19 of the Family Court Act 1955 against so and so. Admit, no, further, wide the impugned judgment and decree, the suit for divorce filed under section 13 so and so of the Hindu Marriage Act has been dismissed. Para admit, para call for the records. Para that steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondents. Why adultery was there or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Respondents by usual process steps. When did you take steps? Vacation khula tha kya mar?
Today is the last day, lordship.
Office?
Oh.
within 3 working days.
3 working days. Obliged,
List after 6 weeks along with service report and report on receipt of LCR.
Obliged, sir.
ফ্যামিলি কোর্টস একটু ভুলকে লিখেছে রে কোর্টস অ্যাপোস্ট্রফি আছে না হয় কালকে চাইলো
Item two,
2 to 6 are the jail appeals coming up for the first time.
ওকে
2 to 4, amicus needs to be appointed. Ah, yes.
amicus or list and লিখবেন this is an appeal pellic order preferred from jail against so and so admit call for the records.
We don't have the records to see whether POXO matters.
No, the judgment is there. No, this is 302.
In that case,
Miss,
usual
yes,
process.
Miss, no, you'd be accepting notice
Ah.
on behalf of the state.
Yes, informant, let the notice.
Informant is not there.
Not there. But the registry, in these matters, registry send it because if they come to know, they can appear. There is no mandatory provision as such, but
302. Is it
to
a-
know, they have to be said, I think, given notice.
Hmm.
Otherwise, where will they gather the knowledge?
302.
Otherwise, not required,
Not,
but
not required. If it's a requirement under the law, we'll direct, otherwise we'll not direct.
no.
Miss Jahan, APP for appears and accept notice on behalf of the state. Para 3. Criminal matters, service matter, criminal matter. 3. Jasodhir Das, learned advocate and empaneled member. And who is empaneled? Whose name? Who is empaneled as an amicus curiae? He is appointed as the amicus curiae. Full stop. List after 6 weeks, along with service report. No, service no, along with 6 weeks for a report on receipt of the records. The name of the appointed amicus curiae be reflected in the cause list. Next to Thobo, same. Next to conviction ki har under 302 niki. Next same order. Yes. Criminal matter. Madam Dipanjali Barpujari, be the amicus in the second matter. Item number 3. Same. And
Okay.
third,
Item 4.
item number 4. POXO niki. 4 take habo. Anyone amicus? Madam Devi, you are an amicus curiae list? No. Legal aid. Amicus curiae ru kon ase sa? Kotho na? Memo to the list can say amicus curiae. Manish Kumar Das, by Ujjwal Chaudhary. Oh, Ujjwal Chaudhary, Ujjwal Chaudhary. Are we at registry to take steps for service of notice upon the informant. State or kind into Jahan, Baki sub থাকিব, POXO kind of extra থাকিব. আৰু বাকিখিনি সব একে থাকিব। Name of amicus. আৰু লাষ্টটোত কৰিব list after 6 weeks for service report as well as কাৰণ এইটো হেৰি থাকিবতো private respondent. Okay.
Item 5.
May I please lordship, this is a jail appeal lordship. Petition, appellant is convicted under 6 of POSCO Act lordship.
Not POSCO.
Oh, sorry lordship. POSCO Act lordship.
I have seen many councils doing this mistake.
Doesn't matter. If the meaning is something else, then
Yes.
it is okay. Intent should be correct,
That is what pronunciation maybe.
but pronunciation also should be correct.
Yes.
I think it's more easier to say POSCO than POSCO. So I think,
Nothing like that.
no, nothing like that. I don't know.
Yes, heard Miss D. Bor Pujari. You are an amicus or what?
Lordship,
Legal aid-
illegal aid
Legal
counsel.
aid counsel. For the appellant who has preferred this appeal under so and so, huh? Against so and so, admit. Call for the record. Miss Jahan Leonard. APP accepts notice on behalf of state respondent. Steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 be taken through the registry of this court. Steps within 3 working days. That's for 6 weeks, huh? Along with service of notice as well as records.
Obliged.
Item 6.
Under
Under 6 of POSCO.
POXO, same type, LDB type.
I for bail. No. He was for condemnation.
I is for condemnation.
No, delay is
Delay has been
condemned.
condemned. Okay. Main appellant থাকিব same LDB. খালি এইবিলাক বদলাই দিবা সব। আৰু ইয়াতে দুইটা ইনফৰমেন্টৰ কাৰণে ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰি আগৰটো যোনটো দিছে পক্স। Okay. Take steps within 3 working days.
Yes.
Item 17, supplements.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, it's a statutory appeal convicted under section 302 IPC and imprisonment for life. My lord, I have a few submissions to make, my lord.
We'll admit this.
My lord, admit, my lord. My lord, what had happened, my lord, I am a, my lord, I am a retired police personnel, my lord. When I was in charge of Kalain police station, my lord, then, my lord, a cross case was registered, my lord, under section 325, 326. Between 2 groups, between 4 persons. And, my lord, subsequently, my lord, one, my lord, died, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, a case was, section 302 was added. And, my lord, subsequently, my lord, this case was, my lord, registered, my lord, against me, my lord, by saying that I have committed torture during police custody, my lord. And, my lord, for one offense, my lord, actually, my lord, cross case, my lord, ought to be conducted in a joint trial. That was not happened. Thereafter, my lord, one case which was registered under 302, my lord, for one murder of that Motahir Ali. Subsequently, my lord, for the same offense, my lord, I have been also been, my lord, another case has been registered, my lord, against me under section 302 for the death of the same person, my lord, by saying that I have committed physical torture, my lord, during police custody. And subsequently, my lord, both the cases ought to be tried together, my lord, because they were on the, my lord, same allegation, same offense, my lord. They were separately, my lord, tried, my lord.
No, in
And,
fact,
my
cannot
lord-
be tried together, one after the other. Cross cases has to be tried one after the other.
No, cross case was not,
Acha.
cross case was not tried together. One case was tried by SDJM and another was tried by additional session judgment. That cross case, my lord. And subsequent one, my lord, which was, my lord, under section 302 was added, my lord, for the offense of the death of Motahir Ali. My lord, that case was tried by, my lord, additional session judge. And my case, my lord, where also, my lord, for the same offense, my lord, for the murder of that Motahir Ali. My lord, that case was also tried separately, my lord, by the SDJ, by the session judge, my lord, additional session judge. And in that case, my lord, earlier one, my lord, in that case, my lord, neither PM report was exhibited nor inquest was exhibited, my lord. In my case, my lord, inquest and postmortem report were conducted in a different case, but that were, my lord, that PM report and inquest report were exhibited in my case, my lord. And subsequently, my lord, the court has under an impression that, my lord, when my lord the deceased was, my lord, for the first time when she was medically examined, he got certain injuries, but that were not so fatal. But subsequent to that, when the postmortem was conducted, then one more report was given, my lord, by the while the PM was done. And from that angle, my lord, the learned trial judge has hold that as, my lord, in the initial stage, my lord, there was no such, my lord, the injury of so much fatal in nature. And subsequently, my lord, in PM report, it has found that some fatal injury was there. So the court hold that as I was the, my lord, I was the arresting authority and he was under my custody, my lord. So, my lord, I ought to have explained how he had got that injury, my lord. But, my lord, that accused persons, my lord, other accused person, they were acquitted, my lord. And I was convicted, my lord.
We'll admit.
Well,
we'll-
that is why, my lord,
Let us see.
I just, my lord, pray for one thing, my lord, at least, my lord, along with my lord, this LCR, my lord, the scan copy of the connected cases, that may kindly be called for, my lord, that two cases, because, my lord, the trial court never, my lord, appreciated these things, my lord, because all threes are connected, my lord. Threes are connected. So, my lord, while considering my bail prayer, my lord, at least that may, and also my appeal, that may kindly be called for.
But those two cases are still pending, I think.
No, my lord, both the cases have been, my lord,
Acquitted.
no, my lord, both the cases were acquitted, my lord.
Those accused persons were acquitted.
Acquitted, my lord.
He is implicated.
I have been implicated. By saying that, my lord, trial court impression is that 106 Evidence Act. my lord,
No, we are not going to the marriage. See,
Yes.
your complicity has come because of the deaths.
Huh.
Their complicity was not because of the deaths.
Huh.
Their complicity was only for causing hurt
No, my
or
lord.
grievous hurt.
No, my lord.
The death is in the custody. So the implication or the acquisition is against you, that in your custody, the person has passed away and therefore the separate case has been registered. We'll see into this.
But, my lord, that case was also
We'll
under
see.
302, my lord.
Heard 3M Doctor, learned counsel for the appellant, who by means of this appeal so and so admit, call for the records. Miss Jahan for one, steps for response number 2 be taken by usual process, steps within 3 working days. List after 6 weeks, along with Sri doctor submits that this case has a connection with
Katigora PS case number 453, 2000,
what
2007.
is the court case number?
Yeah.
GR, my lord, GR,
You should
within a
give the
minute,
GR
my lord.
case.
I will give, my lord. I
This
can
case
give.
will not help you. It's in the stage, not on the stage of investigation. You said that the trial is over.
No,
If
trial
that
is over, but my lord,
You have to
the,
give the name, number of the
yes,
GR
yes,
case.
yes, GR case I am giving, my lord.
Connection with GR case number so and so.
And session case number 75/2012.
Sessions case number will do.
No, my lord, that was different, man.
GR case number so and so in the court of the
In the court of the learned SDJMS,
SDJM?
SDJMS, Sodor, my lord,
Sadar
Kachar.
Kachar and
And session case number 75/2012. That was also passed by the additional session judge FTC Kasar.
This is in respect of this case.
no.
The sessions case 75 is the instant case.
No, my lord. The
Right.
instant case was 21, session case number 21/2015.
It will be 75 log is-
75 in that same for 302 offense, my lord, they have been acquitted.
Oh, he has annexed the judgment.
I have annexed, my lord. That judgment I have annexed, my lord.
75 লিখিছে না আর কি বলে সাবমিটেড ডেট বলে কিছু পড়ো কিনে জাস্ট
জি
ঠিক আছে the scan copies of the case records of the aforesaid 2 cases may also be called for.
And also with this case, my lord, session case 21.
That we have already said.
Yes.
That will also-
My lord, GR case number, my lord, 3073/2007.
Of
2007. 3073/2007.
2007 GR2,
GR case. And my lord, I may be in, my lord, IA, my lord, that my lord notice may go, my lord, they, if
Let
they
the
want
first,
to.
let the first, this things,
Let the
I
records come.
kept open, we have not passed any orders. I will consider.
I'll file my objection, let the records come.
Okay.
And-
In the IA you issue, Hertz Sri so and so. Let notice be issued. Miss H. Jahan accepts notice for respondent number 1. Steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 be taken by usual process. List after 6 weeks, full stop. In the meantime, Miss Jahan, the learned PP, may, in the meantime, the respondents may file objection if so advised.
My lord, I may be allowed to take custody upon respondent number 2.
In a criminal case, that's
Oh,
the,
there.
My lord, apart from this, my lord, apart from my lord, registered in.
in a criminal case, not in the first date.
Oblige, my lord, oblige.
Item 7.
Mr. Purkasto,
Please, Lordship, this case is ready for hearing.
No, Lordship, we have not received the paper book yet.
we'll get the paper. Paper book has been prepared.
Yes,
it's
yes,
prepared.
You are for whom?
We have
AM or for
respondent
respondent
number
number 1.
1
This is against acquittal or what?
against secretary.
Okay. The paper book has been prepared. Full stop. It is however submitted on behalf of the respondent number 1. That copy of the same has not been furnished to them. Full stop. Let copy of the paper book be furnished to all the,
We have received
to the learned counsel for the respondent number 1. Full stop. The learned counsel for the other concerned parties have however acknowledged receipt of such paper book, para, list for hearing in its turn.
Item 10.
Yes, service is not complete. We couldn't get the report. And our office people are being reshuffled, so we couldn't get the number also. Sirsagar Rosilot will give us some time, we'll get the information.
We'll give some time. On the prayer of Miss H. Jahan, learned APP, for 3 weeks' time is granted to obtain instructions on the aspect of service upon the respondent number
2.
2.
Yes, ma'am.